Hey, what's up? Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are doing great. This is a very short video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to hide subscribers or how not to show subscribers on your YouTube channel. But the question is why you want to do that. Okay, before I talk about that, let's see first how to hide subscribers, and I will talk about that later at the end of this video. And of course, to mention, if you are new to my channel, you will find plenty of tutorials on my channel because I upload videos regularly, and if you consider subscribing to this channel, it will be highly appreciated. So let's go. This is my another YouTube channel, and I will show you guys how to do it on this channel. At first you need to log into your YouTube channel, then click on the avatar at the top right corner, then click on YouTube Studio. Then go to left and click on settings. Now click on channel, then advanced settings. Here scroll down and see subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. See, this box is checked, and if we uncheck it, our subscriber will be hidden. Uncheck it and save. That means our subscribers are now hidden. Okay, now let's check any video of my channel. Click on the avatar, your channel, videos, select any video, select this one. Here now we can see our subscribers are hidden. So guys, this is how we can hide subscribers on YouTube channel. But the question is now, why I need to hide subscribers? You see, my channel have less than 1000 subscribers, but I didn't hide the subscribers because I think YouTube by default showing subscribers, so in some way it is connected to algorithm, right? And if I hide subscribers going against what YouTube is doing by default, it will definitely affect the search engine. So that is what I think, and I didn't hide my subscribers. Now it's totally up to you whether you want to hide it or not. So guys, that's it for today, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.